Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different than what I have been doing. Not on the bike today. We're in the van, and we're going to go down to the river and throw a line in, see if we can catch a walleye or whatever is biting, if there's anything biting this time of year. It's September. I usually do all my fishing first thing in the spring, like when it opens up. Haven't been in the mood to do any fishing this year. My brother left Slave Lake area last year. I think he left at the end of August. And I went and I got my fishing license and everything this year. Planned on doing some fishing, and I just, it's not the same without, getting out and fishing with my brother. But my friend Lenny, he's going to meet me down there. He's probably already there. We just stopped at Canadian Tire, picked up a couple tubs of minnows. So today's video is going to be a little different. So we'll see you there. We're going to get you set up here. Trying to get this this chest mount figured out. That one comes around to here. Sure, if I took my glasses off, I'd probably be able to see. And we got a back piece. Okay, now when I put the adapter on here, well, crap, went and stuck that on, and I don't need this piece. I was gonna put it up on the dash. What I set this, trying to set this up for when I'm on the motorcycle. Should have my other glasses on because I can't see shit. Oh, maybe. We'll see if this is going to work. I don't know that'll be up high enough to, I'm sure we can get this adjusted right. Bring that up. Tilt this forward. Turn that on. Uh-oh. Got the right side. Well, imagine that. It works better if you put a friggin' battery in it. What a doughhead. Put that in there. What a dumbass. Eh? Beep, beep, beep. There we go. I don't know if I got it in, oh yeah, it's in video. And there we go. Well, we got your recording on there. We got your recording on here. I'll have to see if we can get the seatbelt on. Oh, anyway, we're going to head to the river. See you in a moment. And there we go. Well, we got your recording on there. We got your recording on here. I'll have to see if we can get the seatbelt on. Oh, anyway, we're going to head to the river. See you in a moment. All right. I don't know how this is going to work. Being mounted by chest. You guys are on the GoPro here. We'll see how this is going to work out. I just pulled over there to get everything set up. We just got to pull off the road up here and go to meet Lenny down at the riverbank. This is the first time using this setup on my chest, and it's going to be fun to put these two videos together, the one off the phone and the one on my chest. But we're heading out fishing. Looks like they just re-graveled this section of the road here. I don't know if you guys can see, hard to see. I don't have my glasses on. I got my sunglasses, but I don't have my regular glasses. But I'm hoping that you can see over top of the steering wheel. All right, we're down here. Just got to dig out some stuff out of the back of the van here, and I got to get my chair and everything from up there. We'll see you in a moment. All right, we're down here. Just got to dig out some stuff out of the back of the van here, and I got to get my chair and everything from up there. We'll see you in a moment. At this time, I did not know that my GoPro was still running. Hope you enjoy. Sorry about all the noise that I'm making here. Like I said, I forgot that the GoPro was running, so it's funny. Hope you enjoy. You got any sinkers there, Lenny, or? What's that?
It's been a while.
Oh, shit.
I need a bigger one?
Oh, yeah.
And then just
take one of those small ones off.
Yeah.
And then put the big one in the small one.
Okay. Two hooks and
Yeah, you could even take your two small ones and put that big one and this one on.
oh.
Yeah. I got this here. I just got to crawl up and grab my chair.
I was gonna say, did you have a chair for yourself?
Yeah, well, I got them up top. And I'll probably grab one of the tables. Do you got your net?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need one of the tables or?
Well, I don't know if we need a table, but
Well, if we do, I got them up top here anyway.
nobody ever steals it. It should last me the rest of my life.
Yeah, exactly.
Fishing.
We're fishing, yeah.
Finally found some
Got my
time.
coffee. I made a coffee. Had coffee and tea yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, how far did you go down?
Get down.
This looks like a half decent flat spot here. Or kind of half-ass.
Give
This
you
is-
one and then take one.
Yeah. I just got the rag for.
I'll put it there.
I just got the rag for washing, in the water for washing our hands off.
Oh yeah.
As long as it doesn't bugger off, stays there. Pour a little bit of water in there, like either that water or this water here. Yeah, they're froze pretty good. Yeah, I think I'll just let them soak for a second and yeah, you can tell somebody's been all along the bank here.
With the gill and
I go up through the mouth and then out through the gills. And then through the side. I might have to go grab my little shovel. If I still have it in the van. Oh, look at that. I found my shovel. You just got lots of stuff in the way. Lots and lots of stuff in the way here. Needs to be better, easier access than that. Well, grab my coffee and away we go. We'll see you down there. Yeah, there's lots of weeds, eh? See if we get a spot here for the chair. All this dirt, lots of shiny stuff in it. Should get my my gold pan. Check it out. That would be nice. Hey?
Yeah.
Find out that there's gold here. Lots of speckles anyway. Not trout. See if that'll set any flatter. And I got 1 foot that's not touching. Digger back a little more. So what made you decide you should head out today?
I woke up and had nothing planned.
Oh wow.
You mentioned about going fishing. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Now all we need is the fish to cooperate. Got your fishing license?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I still have this on. Yeah, Lenny's 65, so he doesn't need a fishing license. Mine are above my sun visor, so anyway, we'll get set up and try again. Well, Lenny caught the first fish. I didn't get a picture of it. I was up looking through my regulation book on the size. It's 45 to 50 centimeters. And his was 24 inches long, so it was way over. It was 60. So it was a little too big. But he wasn't sure if he just had a bunch of weeds on or... But he's got a picture of it, so I'm going to get him to send it to me. And I'll post it in this video. So, we'll see you in a little bit. This is the river that we're on. Lenny's line just broke and he got snapped off. The van and the truck is just up here, but nice here. Oh, I think I may have a bite. I'll let you go. All right, that was just a bunch of weeds floating by. Today's got to be one of the worst days for the weeds. Kind of seems to be slowing down a little bit, but yeah, his walleye that he caught, it was a nice size one, and just caught it right down in here. But anyway, it was measured just a touch over 24 inches, so I think that's just a little over 60 centimeters. I think, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, it was way too big. We got 45 to 50, so yeah, it was a little bit too big. Anyway, yeah, we're going to sit here for a while, drown some dead minnows. Just picked up our minnows at Canadian Tire. Oh, I got a bunch of junk on my line again. Would be nice to... Oh, something just jumped just up the river here. Hopefully we get something here that we can show you, and if I get one on, I'm going to throw my GoPro on, and hopefully you'll be able to see me pulling it in there. But if I don't get nothing, you won't see nothing. Anyway, we're enjoying a beautiful day. We'll see you again, or be back shortly. Well, we're still sitting here down on the river. Then he's hiding over that way. Just the one fish so far. Don't know when we have a bite or if it's weed, so we're not too sure. Anyway, I'm watching you guys on here. Anyway, we're going to continue, and like I said, if we get any bites, we'll let you know. Well, we didn't have a chance to do any videoing. I thought I had my GoPro on, but it wasn't on. Just caught a nice pike, or as they call them here in Alberta, jacks. And it was a lot bigger than Lenny's walleye that he had to let go. And that was 24 inches, so it was a lot bigger anyway. Anyway, we went to take the hook out of his mouth. He took a flip before Lenny had a chance to get the hook out of his mouth, so he snapped my line here. He broke it off. So it was a nice sized jack. Here in Slave Lake, we're not allowed to keep them. So anyway, he took off with the souvenir. He's got a hook in his lip, and if he would have waited another second, Lenny could have had the pliers, got him on, set him free, and he wouldn't have a sore jaw. Anyway, I'm going to fish with one hook for now, and or sit and watch anyway. And I got to fix up my pickle rig. He pushed those little beads all over the place. So anyway, we'll see you in a moment. Just want to say, after that pike snapped my line, I did get a nice walleye. Well, and it Lenny was a keeper. And I packed her up. Just going to make sure that we got everything. So everything's all cleaned up here. This is our view of the river. And look at how far we had to walk to get from our Lenny's truck and my van. Pretty close. Anyway, just as we're getting ready to call it quits, Lenny caught his, and it was about 48. So it's between the 45 and 50, so it was a keeper. We got her cleaned up. Again, I thought I had this thing on record, and because I'm not using my phone, I'm just looking down at it. I thought it was recording and it wasn't. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Well, all right. Well, we got everything all packed up, and I got my chair, my table, my fishing rod, all that stuff put away in my van. Lenny's got all his stuff put away. Now we're just going to be heading back into town. It's 4:45. We've been out here, say 4.5, almost 5 hours. So it's been, well, maybe five, yeah, say 5.5. So it's been a good day. Say hello, Lenny. Hello. So yeah, no, it was a great day. A bad day of fishing's better than a good day of work. So, but we had a good day. We caught a few fish, but the scenery out here, it's amazing. Nice quiet river. We had one boat go by. But anyway, I think that'll be it for today. Our fishing shenanigans. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one, and have a good one. Get this shut off anyway. Oh, maybe this one.